Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add conditional formatting here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Conditional formatting in Smartsheet allows you to automatically change the appearance of cells based on this specific criteria, helping you highlight important data and make your sheets more visually informative. Now, the first is, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, open the sheet where you want to apply the conditional formatting. In my case, this is going to be the file. I'm going to click on it and then now, once you are on the sheet, click on the conditional formatting button in the toolbar. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the sheet, and it looks like a paint bucket with a small arrow. It should be around here. This one, all right? Conditional formatting. Now, you can add new rule basically here. For example, this. If set condition, then apply this format to an entire row. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can add a condition, clone rule, disable rule, and a lot more. For example, this one, I'm gonna make it bold. Say font size is gonna be a red. I don't know. You can be creative depending on your say for example your set condition. For example, you want to assign to sheet and then go to deep lefts, right? That's one. You can set another one wherein you can assign to, and of course you can add conditional formatting in Smartsheet, and basically the possibilities are endless. But the idea is that conditional formatting will allow you to analyze and interpret data by visually distinguishing different types of data, such as high priority tasks, budget overruns, or status changes. And by applying these different formats based on the criteria, obviously you can easily spot trends, patterns, or anomalies in your data. I find it very helpful because it provides visual cues that helps clients and multiple freelancers make informed decisions based on the status or performance of various elements on the sheet. And of course, it helps team members focus on the important tasks or data by visually separating them from less critical information. Once you're happy with that, all I'm going to do is click on OK. You see that? That's basically how you add conditional formatting here in Smartsheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.